Nero AI, a groundbreaking tool that brings the power of artificial intelligence to your fingertips. Nero AI is all about innovation and efficiency. It's designed to supercharge your photo editing workflow with features that enable you to enlarge images without losing quality, automatically detect and categorize thousands of images, and so much more. Let's take a closer look at some of Nero AI's key features: photo restoration, colorize photo, photo tagger, image upscaler, and face animation. First, let's look at the image upscaler. This tool uses artificial intelligence to increase image resolution without any loss in quality. If you've ever tried to enlarge a photo only to see it become pixelated and blurred, you'll know how groundbreaking this feature is. Let's see it in action. 1. Simply upload your image, choose the resolution you want, and watch as Nero AI upscales it while preserving every detail. It's fast, it's easy, and the results can be astonishing. Next up, let's talk about the photo tagger. This feature is a real game changer for anyone with a large photo library. Using AI technology, the photo tagger can sort your photos and organize your creativity by identifying content based on more than 160 categories. This means you can find exactly what you're looking for in seconds, not hours. 1. Just point it at your photo library and watch as it automatically organizes your photos. It's like having a personal assistant for your photo library. Colorize photo. This feature uses AI to colorize black and white photos. Nero AI's colorization engine uses deep learning to understand the content of grayscale images and apply appropriate color details. Note that some features are available for free, others require a paid plan after reaching a certain usage limit. Nero AI also offers mobile apps for both iOS and Android platforms for their photo enhancer and upscaler feature. With Nero AI, the future is already here. Artificial intelligence is shaping our world, and with tools like Nero AI, you can unlock its full potential. Discover what AI can do for you today, so why not give Nero AI a try? Visit their website, try their tools, and experience the power of AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and reviews. Until next time.